Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to register for the 60% trading fee rebate on KuCoin through financesolutes.com. The process is super simple and will help you save more every time you trade on the platform. Before we dive into the steps, let's talk a bit about why you should choose KuCoin Backcom. Trading fees can quietly eat into your profits, especially if you trade frequently or handle large volumes. With the KuCoin Backcom rebate program, you can save up to 60% of your trading fees and reinvest that money into your future trades. It's a risk-free way to boost your overall returns without changing your strategy. And your rebates are credited automatically, no matter if your trade wins or loses. You can receive the 60% rebate as long as you register through financesolutes.com. And in this video, I'll guide you through two specific cases. One for users who don't have a KuCoin account yet, and another for those who already have an account but aren't getting rebates. If you don't have a KuCoin account yet, getting started is super easy. Click the KuCoin registration link provided by financesolutes.com or go directly to the official website at kucoin.com. On the homepage, click Register, then sign up using your email address and create a strong password. When you register through the financesolutes.com referral link, the referral code will appear automatically. But if you're signing up directly on kucoin.com, just enter the referral code manually. Make sure you fill in the correct code to qualify for the rebate. Next, complete your KYC verification by uploading a valid ID document, like your passport, national ID, or driver's license, and then click Verify Now. Once your account is verified, deposit funds and start trading. From that point on, you'll automatically receive up to 60% cashback on all trading fees through financesolutes.com, helping you trade smarter and save more. Now, if you already have a KuCoin account but aren't receiving any rebates, don't worry. There are two easy solutions. The first option is to open a new KuCoin account using a different email address or phone number, and then follow the same registration process as above. KuCoin allows multiple verified accounts per user, so you can reuse your previous KYC documents without any issue. The second option is to delete your current KuCoin account and create a new one. To do this, log into your existing account, withdraw all your funds, then go to your account settings. From there, open the security section, select Account, and choose Delete Account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the deletion process. After that, you can re-register using the same email or phone number if you prefer. Once you've created and verified your new account, just deposit funds and start trading again. From then on, you'll automatically receive KuCoin Backcom rebates of up to 60% every time you trade. To wrap things up, joining the KuCoin Backcom rebate program through financesolutes.com is a simple and effective way to cut your trading fees and maximize your earnings. Whether you're a new trader or already using KuCoin, you can qualify for this exclusive 60% rebate just by registering or re-registering correctly through financesolutes.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future tutorials and crypto rebate updates. Start saving today with KuCoin Backcom and make every trade work harder for you.